Located at the Center for Health Education and Research, Morehead State University's Department of Nursing incorporates the latest in medical technologies and extensive hands-on experience to prepare students for a rewarding career in healthcare. As the healthcare industry continues to grow, there is an increased demand for registered nurses to provide vital services to patients. Dr. Lynn Parsons is the chair of MSU's Department of Nursing. She says MSU's nursing programs are unsurpassed by any other in the nation.
The strengths of the program are our faculty, their currency and practice in these fantastic clinical laboratories that we have. I've traveled across the country as a program reviewer for our 2 national accrediting bodies, and our labs, bar none, are the finest that I've ever seen. Our faculty members, several of them actually practice, and that's great for students because they get real-world teaching experience. Some of our faculty members are advanced practice nurses, and they have to maintain a clinical practice to keep up with their licensure and certification. So that is one of the biggest benefits of our program, is that our faculty are current. They don't teach out of the textbook. They teach off of real-life experience.
Morehead State's nursing programs offer students a unique learning experience in cutting-edge simulation labs. There, students work with interactive mannequins, which are programmed to display a wide range of symptoms and ailments.
With the simulators that we have in the lab, we can actually give them hands-on. In the hospital, the faculty is right there with the student, and we tell them, and assist them with everything they do. In the labs, they get to be the nurse, and we stand back behind the glass and they make the decisions, so that develops a lot of their skills.
Nursing students need this in-lab clinical practice using simulation equipment so we can provide care in a safe environment. And then when we take them into clinical practice at the hospitals we take them into, they've already made the mistakes. So they're going to be safe for nurses.
Working in the sim lab is a great experience. We have great technology that makes it as close to real as you can get working on a patient, and we have the resources that make that very realistic for us, and that's very easy to translate into practice in our actual clinical in the hospital and other things like that.
We are a national showplace for simulation labs across the United States. Other schools visit us when they get ready to set up their own labs. I think our small class size, the one-on-one that the students have with the faculty at MSU, is a big plus for our programs.
Students gain hands-on experience in the assessment and treatment of patients by working with the mannequins and through clinical placements during their last year of study. It's this experience that sets MSU nursing graduates apart from graduates of other nursing programs.
It was exceedingly easy for all of us to find a job in my class. MSU nursing graduates have a very high reputation for being well-trained and being excellent bedside nurses. So all of us had jobs for the most part prior to graduation. Even I believe I got my job in April. And it was in the field that I wanted in critical care, so that wasn't an issue at all.
What's our job placement rate? 100%. Students can go out after they graduate and get a job anywhere they want to go. And if they want to work in critical care, they're getting jobs in critical care, the operating room, the emergency department. Our major partner here at Morehead State University is St. Clair Regional. So several of our graduates just walk across the parking lot. So I always tell them, well, you're looking at them to obtain a position. They're also looking at you. So always have your best face on when you're over across the street practicing.
The reputation across the state is very high for MSU graduates. We have a lot of students placed at the University of Kentucky as nurses. And when we're there rounding or we're there in clinicals, those nurse managers are always complimenting our MSU graduates. They want our students.
I plan to seek employment at a hospital in central or northern Kentucky, and the things that I'm learning here, they really tie in what we learn in clinical in our labs, and we have great staff that help with that, along with the didactic portion of what we learn in class that all go hand in hand and really tie together.
Nursing students are given multiple opportunities to serve, both at home and abroad. MSU is actively involved with Camp Smile, a summer camp designed for children who recently lost a parent or loved one. Students can also participate in annual trips to Haiti to provide assistance to a region in much need of quality medical care.
We started traveling to Haiti after the earthquake 5 years ago, and myself and other faculty members continue to do that. But the students have this opportunity to partner with Children's International Lifeline, and they can go on a medical mission to Haiti. And on average, when we go, we take care of about 1,000 Haitians when we're there. And it's just an amazing opportunity because they're going to see illnesses and conditions that they will never see here in the United States. And so we always go to serve and to help, but actually we come back blessed beyond measure. And the students always want to go back.
The Department of Nursing offers associate and bachelor's degrees designed to prepare students to enter the workforce or to help working nurses continue their education. For more information, visit www.moreheadstate.edu/nursing.